an NFA. Understood? So I have inserted a new state, that is my starting as well as my final state of S star. I have removed the final state as well as the starting state. Q0 is no longer the starting state, QF is no longer the final state. Okay, now in order to accept epsilon, QS star will be the final state as well as the starting state. Okay. Secondly, with A, suppose I want to consume a single A, from QF I should move back to QS star. Okay, and suppose I have 2 A's or 3 A's, I should do it in a loop. Okay, I should the DFS should consume all those repeated symbols of A within this loop. Okay, so this way this epsilon resulting epsilon NFA is created for S star. So what does we infer? We inferred that for every kind of regular expression, we are able to create, there exists an equivalent epsilon NFA. So the first part of the theorem is proved. Understood? So with this, let me give you an example so that will be more clear. So suppose so the second part we'll discuss in the next class. So suppose so till now whatever we have discussed, this first part of the theorem, the question are asked like this. So can you create an epsilon NFA for regular expression AB with A plus B star? What does this mean? Yeah, hello. So any string that starts with AB, correct? Okay, now how will you create a epsilon NFA for it? Okay, so let us split this thing. So let us first create from the basic, from the definition, let us first go. So what will be my epsilon NFA for A? It will be the simplest DFA, that is with A it should go to the final state. Okay, for A. For B, what it will be? It will be the similar way, it should go to the final state. Understood? So now what is AB? So I have already told you how the concatenation things work. So AB will be like, you start with this thing, consume A, you reach at a state, then you go to B, you make an empty transition, you go to here, then you consume B and you reach here. Okay, understood? Now what is A plus B? Can you tell me? So A plus B will be like, so it is either A or B okay, understood? Now what will be A plus B star? So A plus B star is nothing but so let me draw it in a separate page. So A plus B star is nothing but you have created like this. With A it is moving to this, then you have an empty transition. You can have another transition to represent it like this, and you can have another transition. So A plus B star will be, as I have already told you, you add one more state, make it as a final, and understood? And this is A plus B star. Okay, then what I have to do, I have to concatenate the things, that is AB with A plus B star. Okay, so AB, what was the epsilon NFA for AB? It was this way. This is the epsilon NFA for AB. So I just concatenate it. That means I first starting state A, I go to another state, do an empty transition, then I go to B, I consume B and go to another state. From this state, which was the final state of AB, I make a transition to this thing. Which one? So this thing. Okay, so this will be my final state. Okay, this will be my final state, and from there I took two epsilon transitions to reach A, one to consume B, then I created this way, and again I do epsilon transition to reach the state from here, and from there I go to understood. So this is the final epsilon NFA for AB dot A plus B star. Okay, so I'll give you one more example which you can do it at home. So let us try this example. A plus B star A plus B star. What does this mean? Tell me. Correct. So any string that contains AA as a substring. So please try to create an epsilon NFA for it, and we will cover the next part of the theorem, that is, given a DFA. So till now what we are doing, given a regular expression, I can always create an equivalent epsilon NFA. So in the next class what we will learn is, given a DFA, can I create a regular expression from it? Okay, so if that can be done, then my theorem, that is, for every language, a language is regular if and only if there exists a regular expression, is proved. Understood? So let us close this class today. So you try this example, and you can tell me the answer in the next class. Okay, thanks, bye. Yeah. Hello Srikant. So I am closing. Okay, chalo, bye.